How to use TikTok trending hashtag feature. To use the TikTok's trending hashtag feature, you simply have to access the TikTok Creative Center. So go ahead and then launch your device's web browser of your choice on desktop or on web or on your mobile device. Now, once you open any sort of web browser, you simply have to go ahead and type TikTok Creative Center. Now once you find the official website, go ahead and tap on this. From here, you simply have to go ahead and then log into your account or tap on the sign up option to sign up. Now once you log in, you simply have to navigate to the trends option by tapping on the trends option at the top, then choose the hashtag. Now filter the database by your specific region and industry. Now you simply have to set the time frame to 7 days to find the real-time breakout trends and look at the analytics arrow to target hashtags that are actively rising rather than declining. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.